Hello everyone! This time, we are going to discuss about subtraction of integers. But before we proceed in subtracting integers, let us recall first the rules in adding integers. So if we have like sign or same sign, you are going to add the integers and use the common sign. If we have unlike sign or different sign, subtract the integer and use the sign of the integer with a bigger number or greater absolute value. Remember those rules because it has something to do with our lesson about subtraction of integers. So, to get the difference of two integers, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition, or simply remember this KCC or keep, change, change. So to understand it further, what is KCC, I have here an example. A minus B. So first, keep the first integer. So it will stay kung ano man yung integer na yon. So, A pa rin siya. Next, change. You are going to change the operation. So, from minus, it will become plus. Lastly, the B. You are going to change it. So, since B is positive, it will become negative. Another example. A minus negative B. Again, keep the first integer, then change the operation from minus to plus, and then change the subtrahend, which is negative B, so it will become positive B. After doing the KCC, you are going to proceed to the rules of adding integers. So again, if they are same sign, you are going to add and copy the common sign. And if they are unlike sign, you are going to subtract and copy the sign of a number that has a greater value. So let's have more examples to understand it further. So number 1, 28 minus 30. Now, apply KCC. Keep the first integer, so the 28. Then, change minus to plus and change the sign of the subtrahend. 30 is positive, so it will become negative 30. Don't forget to put parentheses in the integer if the operation will be followed by an integer that has a negative sign to avoid confusion. Ulitin ko, lalagyan natin ng parentheses ang number na may negative sign kapag ang sinusundan niya ay operation para maiwasan nating malito o magkamali. Now, let's go back to the given. After applying the KCC, let's proceed to addition rule. Look at the given. 28 plus negative 30. Are they like sign or unlike sign? Yes, they are unlike sign. So, what will you do? Correct. You are going to subtract. So, what is the answer? Yes, it's negative 2. Why negative 2? Because 28 minus 30 or 30 minus 28 is equal to 2. And 30 is greater than 28, so copy the sign of 30. So, it will become negative 2. Next example, 33 minus negative 8. So, keep 33, change minus to plus, change negative 8 to positive 8. Then now, check if they are like sign or unlike sign. So since they are like sign, we are going to add. 33 plus 8 is equal to 41. Easy, right? Another one. Negative 9 minus negative 7. Again, keep negative 9. Change minus to plus and change the subtrahend. The subtrahend is negative 7, so it will become positive 7. As you can see, they are unlike sign. So, you are going to subtract. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And 9 is greater than 7. So, copy the sign of 9, which is negative. And the final answer will be negative 2. Okay, number 4. Negative 21 minus 4. Again, keep negative 21. Change minus to plus. And change positive 4 to negative 4. And they are like sign. So, add. Negative 21 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 25. Last example. 11 minus 5. Again, keep 11. Minus will become plus. And positive 5 will be negative 5. They are unlike sign, so subtract. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. And 11 is greater than 5, so our final answer will be positive 6. Now, how about if we have more than 2 integers? It is still the same. Apply KCC. Keep the first integer, change the operation, and change the sign of the subtrahend. So in negative 7 minus negative 5 minus 6, first you are going to keep negative 7, change minus to plus, change negative 5 to positive 5, change again the operation minus to plus, and change positive 6 to negative 6. So remember, only the first integer will be kept and the rest will be changed. So proceed to addition rule. To make it easy, add first the common sign or the integers that has a common sign or same sign. So negative 7 and negative 6 will be added and it will become negative 13 plus 5 is equal to negative 8. Another one. Negative 10 minus negative 8 minus 4. So keep negative 10. Minus will become plus. Negative 8 will become positive 8. Another minus will become plus. And 4 will become negative 4. Now, combine same sign. So, combine negative 10 and negative 4. So, it will become negative 14 plus 8. And since they are unlike sign, you are going to subtract. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. And 14 is greater than 8. So, you are going to copy the sign of 14. So, our final answer will become negative 6. Now, it's your turn. You can pause the video to answer the activity. Let's check if you get a perfect score. So, that's all for today. Next lesson, multiplication of integers. Thank you for watching.